Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the definition of relations and elements of a relation, inverse relation. Today, we are going to discuss some of the problems which are related to the relation. My dear students, that is the first problem. First problem. Let A is equal to. Let A is equal to. Set up all 1, 2, 3, so on 14, and define, my dear students, define a relation, define a relation R from A to A, by R is equal to set up all order pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x comma y belongs to A, Write down its domain, codomain and range. Write down domain, codomain and range. This is the question. I am going to read once again. Let A is the given set, that is the set of all 1, 2, 3, so on 14. Define a relation R from A to A. That is the relation itself. Under the condition of what? That is R is equal to set up all order pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. This is in set builder form. This is the relation in set builder form. That is the rule form where x comma y belongs to the set A. Write down domain, codomain and range. My dear students, to write down that is the domain, codomain and range, first we have to write the given relation in roster form. That means we have to list the elements, isn't it? Okay. How can you solve? Write down the given relation, solution, the given relation in roster form is, that is R is equal to. How can you write, sir? You have to use the given condition. What is the condition here? That is 3x minus y is equal to 0. Condition are also called as rule, isn't it? Are also called as what? Rule. What is the condition here? See here. From this, we can write y is equal to 3x. Now we have to give the values of A, the first one, or elements of A, that is the first. For 1, if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3 into 1, we get 3, isn't it? X is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6. How? That is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. X is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 3s are 9, isn't it? X is equal to 4, then y is equal to how much, my dear students? Y is equal to, that is 3 4s are 12. Now, next element is x is equal to 5. If we give x is equal to 5, then y is equal to how much? 15. Is it 15 belongs to this set? No. Yes. Therefore, the required relation in roster form is, that is the set of all ordered pairs 1, 3. The next one is 2, 6. Next one is 3, 9. Next ordered pair is 4, 12. Have you understood this relation? Yes. Now with the help of this relation, that is in roster form, we can construct, or we can write what we want, that is the domain, codomain and range, one by one. First one, that is the domain. Therefore, DOMA for, we know the meaning or definition of DOMA for, that is the domain of R, is the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in R, that is set of all 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the domain. Are you understood, all of you? Next one is called as range of R. Range R is equal to the set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in R, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. Are you understood? I think. Yes. The last one is, that is the range of R. Sorry, the codomain of R. That is the codomain of R. We know the word set B. Here the relation takes place from a set A to itself A. That means here codomain is itself a set A. That means the given set 1, 2, 3, so on 40. So on 40. Are you understood? This is the solution, or this is the answer. That means what we asked. ಇವನು ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು ಉತ್ತರ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಎಸ್, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Then according to given relation, you have to write in roster form to write, that is the domain, codomain and range under the given rule or condition. Yes, are you understood? Okay, next we have to move another problem, another one. Define a relation R on the set A. Define a relation R. R on the set n of natural numbers. N of natural numbers by R is equal to set up all ordered pair x comma y, such that y is equal to x plus 5, such that y is equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number, that means x belongs to n less than 4, x comma y belongs to n. Define this relationship using, that is the roster form. That means writing roster form. Write in roster form and write domain, range and codomain. This is the problem. Solution, my dear students. First you have to write the given relation in roster form, isn't it? That is the given relation R is equal to set up all ordered pair x comma y, such that y is equal to x plus 5, x belongs to n and less than 4. Less than 4 x comma y belongs to n. This is the given relation. Now we have to write that is the given relation in roster form. How, sir? See here, this is the condition. X, that is y is equal to x plus 5. He given x belongs to n, that is the set of all natural numbers, but under the condition of less than 4. That means we can give the values for x 1, 2, 3. Since these are the natural numbers less than 4. That means if you put x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. X is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 7. X is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 8. Isn't it? That's all. Yes? Is it possible to here we have to give that is x is equal to 4? No. Since he given the condition that is the x belongs to n which is less than 4. That means we get the ordered pairs. That is the in relation of roster form is that is the required relation in roster form is r is equal to the set of all ordered pairs we get 1 comma 6, isn't it? 1 comma 6, that is 2 comma 7 and 3 comma 8. These are the 3 ordered pairs we see in roster form. Yes, now from this we can write that is the domain. We know domain of R, that is the domain of R is equal to set of all first elements of the ordered pairs, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3. These 3 are the first elements of the ordered pairs in R. That is the next one is I think range of R is equal to, we can write that is the second elements of the ordered pair. Second elements of the ordered pair is I think 6, isn't it? 7 and 8. 6, 7, 8. The last one, that is the codomain. That is the codomain. We ask you that is the codomain also here. Write down the domain and range. In this problem, we ask only, my dear students, that is the domain and what? Range. Domain and range, not codomain. That is the only domain and range. That's all. Are you understood? Yes, because of there is no here codomain. That is the given directly relation without set. Isn't it? Without, that is the two sets. Therefore, we can write also codomain, no doubt. That is the codomain itself under the condition of this one. Yes, here x comma y belongs to n. Yes. Are you understood? Set of all natural number we can write, no doubt. But according to given problem, we ask only a two, that is the domain and range. Are you understood this problem? All of you? Yes. Okay. Next we have to move on. Another problem, my dear students. Another problem. That is the problem. Next one, we have to move on. Here, the given sets A is given and B is given. That is, A is equal to set of all 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. and b is equal to set upon 4 comma 6 comma 9. Define a relation R from A to B. Here the given relation R from A to B, that is the define a relation. Define a relation R from A to B, from A to B by R is equal to set up all ordered pair x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A, y belongs to B, right? Or in roster form, right? Or in roster form, right? Or in roster form. We have to write the given relation, that is the relation in which set builder method, that is the rule method. Rule method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That is we have to write in roster form, that is in tabulation form, isn't it? How? That is the you have to use the condition, given condition, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿಯಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ the difference between x and y is R. You have to write the set of all ordered pairs. The difference between first element and second element of the ordered pair must and should odd. Must and should what? Odd ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ the required relation in roster form is the required relation in roster form is, that is the R is equal to, my dear students, we have to write first we have to start the element with 1 ordered pair 1 comma 4. The difference between 1 and 4 is 3. The 3 is odd. Then we can write that is the 1 comma 4, the ordered pair 1 comma 4. Since the difference between these two elements or these two numbers is what? 3. 3 is an odd. Since x belongs to A and y belongs to B, the difference between x and y is odd, isn't it? Next, 1 comma 6. Yes, since the difference between these two is odd, that is the 5. Next, 1 comma 9. Is it? No. Why? The difference between 1 and 9. The difference between 1 and 9 is 8. 8 is an even, which is not possible. That means the ordered pair 1 comma 9 does not belong to this relation under this condition. Yes. Next we have to start with 2. 2 comma 4. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2. Isn't it? This is also not belongs. Next one is 2 comma 6. The difference between 2 the 6 is 4. This is also not possible. Next, 2 comma 9. Yes, because of the difference between 2 and 9 is 7. This is an odd. That is 2 comma 9. Have you understood? Yes, we start with the 3. Have you understood all of you? Yes, 3 comma 4. Yes, the difference is 1. That is odd. 3 comma 4. Next one is 3 comma 6. The difference is 3. Yes, that is the 3 comma 6. Next, 3 comma 9. What is the difference? 6, which is even. That is not belongs to according to given. Isn't it? Next, you have to start with 5. 5 comma 4. Yes, that is difference is 1. Next, 5 comma 6. That is the difference is 1. Then next 5 comma 9. The difference between 5 and 9 is 4, which is not possible. Yes, these are the set of all ordered pairs. These ordered pairs satisfies the given condition, isn't it? Given rule, isn't it? This is the required relation in Rorschach form. We ask to only write R in Rorschach form. This is the result. Are you understood all of it? Yes? Yes. Next we have to move another problem. Next we have to move another problem, my dear students. Yes? Oh. Determine the domain and range of the relation are defined by determine the domain and range of the relation are defined by R is equal to set up all ordered pair x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to set up all 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. By using this relation, we have to find out or we have to determine, that is the domain and range. This is the given relation which is in the form of set builder form. Now, solution. The required relation. First we have to write, that is the relation in roster form. Without roster form, it is not possible to write. That is what we want, domain and range. For that, first we have to write in roster form. The required relation in roster form is that is R is equal to. How sir we have to write? See here, my dear students. The given ordered pair is x comma x plus 5. Here x belongs to, that is the domain. Directly we can say x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we have to give in the place of x, that is these are the elements. First if I 0, then we get 5. Next if I give, that is the 1. 1 plus 5, 6, isn't it? And so on. Then we get, that is the here 0 comma 5, next 1 comma 6, next my dear students 2 comma 5 plus 2, 7, yes, next 3 comma, see here 3 comma 3 plus 5, how much? 8. Am I correct? Next 4 comma 4 plus 5, 9. Next the last one 5 comma 10. This is the required relation. Because without this relation we cannot write, that is the domain and range. That means without this form we cannot write, that is the domain and range. Now we can easily write, that is the domain and range. That is the DOMAR. We know DOMAR means, that is the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in R, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hence I use, that is the word domain. These are the elements of domain, isn't it? Next, range R is equal to set of all second elements of the ordered pairs, that is the 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. That is about the domain and range. I think are you understood, all of you? Yes, this problem. Similarly, we can do other problems. Yes. Okay. Next, another method important for the point of examinations here. That is the problem. I am going to do another one problem. Let A is equal to set of all x comma y comma z, and B is equal to set of all 1 comma 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. My dear students, find the number of relations. Find the number of relations from A to B. Number of relations from A to B, isn't it? That means to find out the number of relations from A to B, first we have to write. Here A is given, B is given. A is given, B is given. That means number of elements of A and number of elements of B. Here n of A is equal to 3 elements. That means number of elements of A. That means cardinal number of set A. And number of elements of B. N of B is equal to how many elements? 2 elements. If I take this is M and this is N, we know if the set A has n elements and set B has n elements, then the number of relations from a set A to set B is 2 to the power of mn. 2 to the power of mn, isn't it? We have the number of relations from a set A to set B. If M has, if A has, set A has m elements and set B has n elements, is 2 to the power of mn. Therefore, the required number of relations is equal to 2 to the power of m means 3, m means 2, that is the 3 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 6. That means 2 to the power of 6 relations are there from a set A to a set B. Isn't it? That means 2 to the power of 6, I think 64, am I correct? That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 64, isn't it? 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Isn't it? 16 into 2, how much? 32. 32 into 2, 64. That is 64 relations are there from a set A to set B. If set A has 3 elements and set B has 2 elements. Are you understood? These type of problems which are related to the equations. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು? ಎಸ್ ಏನು ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರಂ ಕೇಳುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಎಸ್ the given problem which is in the form of that is roster rule method or set builder method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ರೋಸ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೋಸ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟ್ A to set B. Are you understood all of it? Yes. Okay. In the next class we have to continue. That is the another important concept, that is the functions. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.